Hi students, today we are going to see about the chapter Forests, our Lifeline. So myself Vivek Sujan, teaching you science subject in Chandrakanpally Central School, Kalburgi. So let us see the chapter. So that is Forest, our Lifeline, chapter number 17. So one evening Bojo entered the park with an elderly person. He introduced himself to his friends. So Bojo entered the park with the elderly person and he introduced that elderly person with his friends. So Professor Ahmed was a scientist working in the university. The children started playing while Professor Ahmed sat on a bench in the corner. So Professor Ahmed was sat on the bench in the corner and the children will go to play in the garden. He was tried as he had participated in the Golden Jubilee celebration of the town. After a while, the children also came and sat around him. He wanted to know about the celebrations. Professor Ahmed told them that after the cultural program, the senior people discussed the town's unemployment problems. A plan was proposed to put up a factory by clearing an area of the forest just outside the town. So Professor Ahmed went to an program. Thereafter, the finishing the program, the elderly person were talking about the unemployment problems in the town. They were discussing about the planning about the construction of factories outside the town by destroying the forest. This would give the increasing population of the town a chance to get jobs. The children were very surprised when Professor Ahmed told them that many people had objected to this idea. So they were talking about the construction of factories, but many of the people were opposed to the idea of that destroying the forest. So you can see the view of the forest here. This is the view of the forest. You can see in your textbook also. This is because the forest serves as green lungs and water purifying system in nature. So forest will provide us a fresh oxygen to respiration and they will pure the water by the help of purification of water through the soil by providing the water in the form of groundwater. Okay, Professor Ahmed explained. The children were confused. Professor Ahmed realized that the children had not visited a forest. The children also wanted to know more about the forest, so they decided to visit with Professor Ahmed. So children also they don't have any more knowledge about the forest and they wanted to know about the forest and so they were requesting to Professor Ahmed to visit the forest. So visit to a forest. One Sunday morning the children packed a few things like knife, a hand lens, a stick, a notebook and walked together through a forest trail near a village. The children were good, they wanted so whatever the requirements are there, they have taken like knife, lances, stick, notebook, walked together to a forest near to their village. On their way they met Tibu, a young boy of their age group of nearby village who was taking cattle for grazing along with his aunt. So while going to the forest, the children were seen one young boy which is having the age of same group. So that who is so Tibu is that boy. He is taking the cattle to grazing so nearby village with his aunt. He was very agile, running here and there to keep the ear together. When he saw the children, Tibu also started walking along with them, while his aunt went on a different path. As soon as they entered the forest, Tibu raised his hand and signaled them to keep quiet because noise could disturb the animals living in the forest. So whenever the Tibu saw the same age group children, he joined with the children and he went with their friends to the forest. Whenever they entered the forest, the Tibu was raising the hand and saying that, so please keep quiet. So your noise may disturb the animals which are living in the forest. Tibu then took them to a place at a height to show them the broad view of the forest. Children were surprised because they could not not see any land. The different tree tops had formed green cover over the land. However, the cover was not uniformly green. So he would taken the children to a top view and he showed the children with this top view of the green trees, and the children were very surprised to see this picture in the environment. The environment was peaceful and a cool breeze was blowing. This made children quite fresh and happy. The environment was very fresh and the air was very cool. This made the children very refreshment. Okay. So while coming down, they got excited to hearing a sudden sound of birds and some noise from the top branches of the trees. People told them to relax since it was a normal phenomenon here. So while coming down from the top view to the lower land, children were heard some sound of the birds and some sound from the branches of the tree. Tibu said that this is the common phenomena here. Don't worry about that sound. Because of the children's presence, some monkeys had climbed higher up on the trees where they disturbed the birds. So why they got the sound of birds means because of the presence of children, monkeys were climbed the top of the trees. The birds which were sitting on the top of the trees. So due to the upcoming of monkeys, they fly away from that tree. So that's why they got the sound of birds. The animals often use this type of warning call to alert their animals. Tibu also told that many other animals like boar, bison, jackals, porcupine, elephants live in the deeper areas of the forest. Professor Ahmed cautioned children that they should not go deep into the forest. So in forest we are going to see about the different types of animals, and Professor Ahmed were warned that students or children to don't go inside the deeper forest. Bozo and Perry remembered that they have studied about the forest as an example of habitat in class 6. They could see now how the forest provides a home for many animals and plants. Forest should provide home for many animals and plants. You can see in this picture also. So they have given picture of some forest wild animals. It will use the habitat and it will use the home for many animals and trees also. So you can see like this of trees. So neem tree, sesame tree, seamer tree, bamboo. So these are some examples of forestry which we can see in the deep forest. The land where the children were walking was uneven and covered with many trees. Tibu helped them to identify sal, tea, seamer, sesame, neem, so palash, fig, care, amal, amla, bamboo, so kachnar. So this Tibu were explaining the different types of trees which we are seeing in the forest, and they have given Tibu were said the different types of plant names and tree names to the children. Professor Ahmed pointed out that there are several other trees, shrubs, herbs and grasses in the forest. The forest floor and the trees were also based on the product that we get from plants. Try to fill in the table. So Professor Ahmed also said that not only the trees were present in the forest, but we can see different types of herbs, shrubs and trees, plants also we can see in the forest. So which we are going to see in the forest, you can fill in the table also. So here they have given. So for gum purpose, whichever the trees we are utilizing, we have to write the tree's name. For timber sake, we are using. For mechanical, so for medicinal, for oil purpose we are using. So segregate them in different columns also. Based on the product that we get from plants, try to fill in the table 17.1. One example of each plant is already given. Fill in the table by adding more examples. So Sheila wondered that who would have planted these trees. Professor Ahmed replied that one in nature trees produce enough seeds. The forest floor provides favorable conditions for them to germinate and develop into seedling and saplings. So forest has many forest trees where creates many of the seeds, and the floor of the forest were very comfortable for germination, and that comfortable soil and the weather that will provide the seedling of the different plants. Some grows up into trees and added that branchy part of the tree above the stem is known as the crown. So of the tree, some crown shapes. So like this trees we can see in the forest also. This is the crown shaped trees which we can see in the forests. So they have given. Professor Ahmad asked children to look up and observe how the branches of the tall trees look like a roof over the other plants in the forest. He told them that this is called canopy. The roof of the plant or trees is known as canopy. That is known as canopy. So this part of the tree, the lower part of the tree is known as canopy. We can say that one. The upper part is known as crown-like shapes. Okay. The bottom shape of the tree is known as canopy. So canopy we can see here, and the understory. This one is there. So they have given the picture of forest in our textbook also. You can go through with that diagrams and you can observe it cleanly in your textbook also. So would we see similar kind of trees in every forest? Asked Bojo. Professor Ahmed said no, due to the different climatic conditions there are variations in the types of trees and other plants. We can't see the same types of plants in all the forests. So due to the climatic conditions, the changes of trees, we can see the different types of trees in the different types of climatic conditions. So see here, they have given forest floor. This is the type of forest floor. We can see this leaves will become the fertilizer for the soil. Whenever the rain will comes, it will become wetty and it will mix with the soil with the help of microorganisms which are present in the soil, and it will act as a fertilizer to the soil, natural fertilizer. Okay. So this is enough for today's session. We will continue the part in the next session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. We will give the solution for your doubts. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.